We met with specialists. We were told Hunter was not going to survive. And the virus had attacked him so aggressively that his brain didn't grow for a whole month. And the only way they can describe it is global damage. There was just nothing normal looking about his brain. I was on the computer just looking up, wondering who could help me with this, because I wasn't given the information I needed to protect my own child. And that's when I found Estee and Baumberger. And I read some of the testimonials and what they did, and I sent an email. When we talked with Don for the first time, he actually flew out and met us. We were at Oakland Airport, and we sat down and we talked.
He was very straightforward with me, which I appreciated. I did not get the sense that he was working us as an angle, and that gave me a bit of a better comfort level. And he didn't just jump at the case. He said, look, I need to go back. I need to do some research. I need to better understand what we're talking about here. I was very comfortable with the fact that we were working with Dawn and Estee and Baumberger.
This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to make sure that Hunter was taken care of. Anytime I was in the hospital, Dawn would call, how are you doing? He wasn't just trying to call to find out how Hunter's doing. He was asking me how I was doing. Are you getting rest? Do you need to talk to anybody? Or how are you doing? How are the kids doing? How's Todd doing? It was very personal. And they've been that way the whole way through. At the funeral, Mike was there and Kristen from the office. And just to know that these people were there for us, just very personal. And it just wasn't about a case. They knew that this was a family and that we were hurting. And just really, really, it helped. I was Hunter's voice, and they gave that a little bit more backing. They gave Hunter a voice. After Hunter died, they continued the fight, which I was thrilled. I was happy with, because Hunter's story still needed to be told. And just because he died, you know, it didn't diminish what happened to him. Hunter was important to them too. In fact, one of the things that was said was that they miss him too, and that meant a lot. They fought just as hard for him as we did. And as I said, they were Hunter's voice. Hunter couldn't stand up and say, hey, you did this to me. But they did that for us.